Okay, we need to generate a random number between 1 and 5. So whenever it says generating random numbers, the first thing that we need to do is import random. Then it says ask the user to guess the number. If the number is correct, add points to it. So because it says add points to a score variable, we need to create a score variable and add 0 to it. So score is equal to 0. So we can make sure we can keep track of the score. Else take points away, the game will repeat until the user enters no. So because it says the game will repeat, we need to create a loop. In this case, we need to create a while loop because it's a condition controlled. Because it says until the user enters no. So let's say carry is equal to yes. And then we say while carry is not equal to no, then we will loop. So the first thing that we need to do is generate a random number between 1 and 5. So number is equal to random dot rand int 1 to 5. So this line will generate the random number for us from 1 to 5. And then we say ask the user to guess the number. So guess is equal to int because they want to guess a number, and then enter a number. Okay, next we need to check if the user guesses correctly. Add points to a score variable. So we need to create an if statement here. We say if number is equal to guess. So if this random number is equal to this guess that the user just entered, then we want to print correct guess, and then we want to add 1 to their score. So we put score is equal to score plus 1. So score is 0 at the moment, so it will say score 0 is equal to 0 plus 1, which will be 1. So every time they guess correctly, they will get a point score of 1. Okay, next we're saying add points to score, else take points away. So we need to take points away. So we put else. So if that's not the case, then we want to print incorrect guess, and we want to take 1 from score. So score is equal to score minus 1. So instead of plus 1, we put minus 1. And at the end of our program, we obviously want to show the score. So you say your score is, and then score. So this will say your score is, and will display the score. Okay, now let's run my program to see if everything is correct. So enter a number, 5 incorrect guess. Oh, we got a correct guess here. 3 correct guess again. Incorrect, so we have 2 correct and 2 incorrect. Let's try again. Okay, incorrect. So my score should be minus 1. Okay, so there's a problem in this program because it will repeat forever. So what we missed in this program is asking the user if they want to carry on. So at the bottom, I have to ask the user if they want to carry on. So carry is equal to input. Would you like to carry on? Okay. Now enter a number, say 5. Incorrect. Would you like to carry on? Just because I pressed 4, it carried on. Because anything other than no. Right, would enter a number, say 2. That's correct. That's incorrect. So my score should be minus 1 now. So if I say, would you like to carry on? No, it should display a score of minus 1 because that's the overall score.